My business has been built on 4 words. Clutter is postponed decisions. I learned that from clothes closets. Closets are full because you've not decided to lose the 10 pounds you need to lose to get into that size smaller suit you love, or what to do about the exercise equipment that looked great on Home Shopping Network, but you haven't used it in more months than you care to admit, or what to do with those candlesticks you got from Aunt Sally. The candlesticks are not really your style, but Aunt Sally would be so thrilled to see them on the table when she comes for Thanksgiving, if you can find them. Hello, I'm Barbara Hemphill. This space, Wednesday Workspace, is usually about a work area. But today I want to write about a closet because we start our day every day with the closet. And in order to be productive in our workspace, we need to feel like we are dressed well. So in this article, I want to talk about the 7 stumbling blocks that prevent people from making their clothes closet a place they love. Number 1, I don't know where to begin. 2, I just don't have enough time to deal with it. 3, I don't have enough space. 4, I can't wear some of the clothes now, but I'm planning to lose weight. 5, I feel guilty because I haven't even worn some of the clothes. 6, I know I could give them away, but I want them to be appreciated. 7, I'm just not sure how to do it. This is a very long article, so I'm not going to read it all, but I invite you to go back and look at the article and see some very specific things that might touch your heart as it relates to your clothes closet. And just think how awesome it would be to open your closet every day and be able to find what you want and know that there's no clutter in it. It would be a great way to start the year. So welcome to Life with an Organized Clothes Closet. Have a great day. Thanks for listening.